Stop right there before you spend another cent at the local nursery, because the 2026 garden season at Dollar Tree has officially arrived, and it is a total game changer for your backyard. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening, where we prove every day that a lush designer-level landscape doesn't require a massive budget. Since you all enjoyed our last garden finds breakdown so much, I headed back out to the aisles to put together this fully updated 2026 edition, featuring brand new items and clever ways to use them. Before we dig into the new haul, I want to hear from you. Where in the world are you watching from today? Drop your city or your growing zone in the comments below, so we can see how far our gardening community reaches. While you're down there, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the family so you never miss a way to save on your green space. Now before we reveal this year's top 10, we have to take a quick trip down memory lane with our Garden Hall of Fame. We're building on the foundation of our previous favorites that so many of you are already using. Like those genius pet treat canisters we turned into oversized planters, and the vegetable storage containers that became DIY self-watering systems. We can't forget the viral wire wastebasket cloches that protected our seedlings, the hula hoop tunnel supports, or the shoe organizers that gave us vertical growing space on a dime. From using pool noodles as planter risers and broomsticks as heavy-duty stakes to the Irish Spring soap trick that kept the deer at bay, those items set the bar high. But today we are taking things to a whole new level with the absolute best finds for 2026. So let's get straight into it now, kicking things off with item number 1. We are looking at the floral branch yard stakes. Now at first glance these might just look like cute, whimsical decor, but in 2026 they have become a viral favorite for a much more practical reason. These metal stakes are actually the perfect stealth support for your top-heavy spring flowers. If you have ever dealt with peonies or dahlias that flop over the moment they start to bloom, you know the struggle. Instead of using those plain industrial green stakes that can look a bit cold, these floral branches blend right into the foliage. They provide that crucial structural support, while adding a pop of lavender or sunny yellow to your garden beds, before your actual flowers have even opened. But here is the pro tip to make these last through the entire 2026 season. Before you stick them in the dirt, give them a quick coat of a clear outdoor sealant, or even a matching spray paint. This keeps the colors vibrant against the sun, and prevents any rusting at the base. I love using these because they turn a functional necessity into a design feature. It's all about that modern rustic look we talk about so much here on the channel, finding things that work hard but look effortless. Moving on to item number 2, we have the stackable wave planters. These have been around in different versions, but for 2026 the design has been updated with a sleek tiered look that is perfect for anyone trying to maximize a small space. The real magic here is in the verticality. You can stack 5 or 6 of these to create a massive herb tower, or a strawberry pillar for under $10. It's a complete game changer for balcony gardeners, or anyone with a small patio who still wants a large harvest. But if you want to take these from plastic budget find to high-end garden feature, here is the 2026 timeless gardening twist. Give them a modern stone makeover. Grab a can of textured stone spray paint from the hardware store, and give the exterior of each tier a light coat. It completely hides the plastic sheen, and gives you that heavy expensive ceramic look for a fraction of the cost. Just a reminder, when you're stacking these, make sure to plant your thirstier herbs at the bottom, as the water will naturally drain down from the top tiers. It's an efficient self-watering style system that looks like it came straight out of a designer catalog. Item number 3 is a bit of a hidden gem found in the kitchen aisle, the plastic dish drying racks. In the gardening world, these are the ultimate multitasking tool for a seedling success station. If you're starting seeds indoors this year, the slotted design of the dish rack is perfect for keeping your seed packets organized and upright while you work. Even better, those same slots act as a perfect drying and storage rack for your plant tags and markers. No more losing track of which pepper is which, because your labels got buried in a pile on the potting bench. The real 2026 pro move though, is using the base tray for bottom watering. Instead of splashing water from above, which can displace tiny seeds or lead to fungal issues, You simply place your small starter pots or peat pellets directly onto the rack. Fill the bottom tray with an inch of water, and let the soil wick up exactly what it needs from the bottom. It's a cleaner, more efficient way to grow healthy root systems without the mess. Plus, when it's time to move your seedlings outside to harden off, the rack gives you a sturdy, easy-to-carry handle to move a dozen plants at once. Item number 4 is a classic reimagined for 2026. The terracotta-style plastic pots. Now I know what you're thinking. Plastic pots aren't exactly a new invention, but the quality and the finish on these new versions are better than ever. They give you that warm Mediterranean aesthetic of real clay, without the heavy weight or the risk of cracking during a sudden temperature drop. Because they're so lightweight and affordable, they are the perfect candidate for one of my favorite time-saving techniques. The pot-in-pot method. Here's how you do it. You take one of these Dollar Tree pots and bury it directly into your garden soil, or a larger decorative planter up to its rim. Then you take your seasonal flowers, like pansies in the spring or mums in the fall, and drop them into that buried sleeve, while they're still in their nursery pots. This allows you to swap out your entire garden's look in about 5 seconds, without ever picking up a shovel or disturbing the surrounding mulch. It's the ultimate cheat code for a garden that looks professionally maintained year-round. Plus, because these are plastic, they hold moisture much longer than real terracotta, meaning you won't be tethered to your garden hose all summer long. Item number 5 is where we really lean into that estate garden look without the estate price tag, and it involves the new 2026 solar lanterns. While these lanterns look great on their own, they can sometimes look a little lost if you just set them flat on a table or on the ground. To give them some height and presence, you're going to head over to the glassware aisle and grab a few glass taper candle holders. These thick, sturdy glass pedestals are the perfect secret weapon for elevating your lighting. The hack is simple, but the result is stunning. Remove the stake from the solar lantern, and use a bit of strong outdoor adhesive, like E6000, to mount the base of the lantern directly onto the top of the glass candle holder. By pairing the black or bronze finish of the lantern with the clear classic lines of the glass pedestal, you create a high-end pillar light that looks like it belongs on a luxury patio in a magazine. These are perfect for lining your outdoor dining table, or placing on top of fence posts. If you want to go the extra mile, you can even fill the hollow glass base with some of those Dollar Tree river stones, or sea glass to add a bit of weight and a custom decorative touch. It's a 5-minute project that completely transforms the budget feel of solar lighting into something truly timeless. Item number 6 is for everyone who loves that high-end organic Scandi look. We are talking about the woven baskets and jute rope. Dollar Tree has really stepped up their game in 2026, with textures that look like they came straight from a boutique home store. By themselves, these baskets aren't meant for the outdoors. But with one simple modification, we are turning them into Scandinavian-style hanging planters that would normally cost $20 or $30 at a garden center. The secret to making this work is to line the inside of the basket with a thick plastic trash bag, also from the dollar aisle, to protect the natural fibers from rotting. Make sure to poke a few drainage holes through both the plastic and the bottom of the basket, so your plants don't get wet feet. Then use the heavy-duty jute rope to create a sturdy 3-point macrame hanger. These look absolutely stunning on a porch or hanging from a shepherd's hook, with some trailing ivy or string of pearls spilling over the sides. It's the perfect way to bring a soft, natural texture into your garden space, while keeping things modern and eco-friendly. Item number 7 is a bit of a mad scientist gardening hack, and it involves the microfiber duster refills. Now I know you usually see these being used to clean ceiling fans, but in the 2026 garden, they are the secret ingredient for a DIY self-wicking system. Because microfiber is designed to be incredibly absorbent, it acts as a high-performance straw for water. If you've ever worried about your container plants drying out while you're away for a weekend, this is the solution you've been looking for. To set this up, you simply take the long microfiber tentacles from the duster and thread them through the drainage holes of your pots, ensuring one end is tucked deep into the soil. The other end goes into a reservoir of water, like one of those clear party containers we mentioned in the last video. Positioned just below the plant, the microfiber will naturally wick moisture up into the root zone only when the soil is dry. This keeps your plants perfectly hydrated, without you ever having to lift a watering can. It's a low-maintenance, high-efficiency way to garden that's perfect for the busy 2026 lifestyle. Item number 8 is a fantastic example of how we can support our local ecosystem for next to nothing: the bamboo wind chimes. In 2026 we're seeing a huge shift toward pollinator-friendly gardening, and these chimes are the perfect raw material for creating a solitary bee hotel. While the chimes sound lovely, the hollow bamboo tubes they're made of are exactly the right size and shape for native non-stinging bees, like mason bees, to lay their eggs and seek shelter. To pull this off, you're simply going to disassemble the chime and cut the bamboo tubes into equal lengths, usually about 5 or 6 inches. Bundle those tubes together tightly, and tuck them into a small wooden box or even a clean recycled tin can from your pantry. Mount your new bee hotel in a sunny south-facing spot that's protected from the rain, and you've just created a 5-star resort for the very insects that make your garden grow. It's a beautiful functional way to repurpose a decorative item into something that actually gives back to the environment, and it costs you practically nothing but a few minutes of your time. Item number 9 is a design staple that every gardener should keep in their kit: the river stones and pebble packs. For 2026 we are moving away from exposed dirt in our containers and focusing on that polished professional finish. These stones are the ultimate top dress tool. By adding a layer of these smooth pebbles to the surface of your indoor or outdoor pots, you're not just making them look like they belong in a luxury hotel lobby. You're actually creating a functional barrier that prevents fungus gnats from laying eggs in your soil. But the real timeless gardening secret for this year is using these stones to create humidity trays. If you're growing tropical plants or ferns that struggle with dry indoor air, fill a shallow Dollar Tree tray with these river stones, and add just enough water to reach the top of the pebbles. Set your plant pot on top of the stones so it's not sitting directly in the water. As the water evaporates, it creates a microclimate of moisture right around the leaves, where the plant needs it most. It's an elegant low-tech solution that keeps your diva plants happy and thriving through any season. Last but certainly not least, item number 10 is a total lifesaver for your harvest: the mesh laundry bags. If you've ever spent months nurturing a prized tomato or a cluster of grapes only to have a bird or a squirrel take a single bite out of it the day before you harvest, this one is for you. In 2026 we're seeing these fine mesh bags used as the ultimate fruit and vegetable protectors. Because the mesh is so breathable, it allows for perfect airflow and sunlight, meaning your fruit ripens naturally. But the weave is tight enough to keep out hungry birds, beetles, and even those pesky squirrels. The hack is as simple as it gets: just slip the bag over your growing produce, and pull the drawstring tight around the stem. It's a chemical-free, humane way to protect your food that is much more effective and less messy than those giant rolls of bird netting that always seem to get tangled in your hair. Plus, these bags are completely washable and reusable, so you can pack them away at the end of the season and use them again next year. It's the perfect final touch for a productive, stress-free garden. And there you have it, 10 brand new ways to turn a quick trip to the dollar store into your most successful garden season yet. It is incredible what a little bit of creativity can do when you stop looking at these items for what they are and start looking at them for what they could be in your backyard. We've come a long way from the original hacks that started this journey, and these 2026 finds prove that you don't need a massive budget to have a professional, thriving garden. If you enjoyed this updated look at our favorite garden finds, make sure to tap the like button to let the algorithm know you want to see more content like this. If you haven't joined the Timeless Gardening community yet, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a budget-friendly tip or DIY project. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 10 items are you going to go look for first? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.